All right, so I'm building a whole new system and I need a whole new power supply. I got this Lian Li EG 1200G. All right, so this is a different model, and I'm gonna show you a little bit different. Why is it different? So instructions are in Japanese and English. All right, come in here. Zip ties. I don't know why it's zip ties. I never even freaking use them. Now they give you this is tied down for the actual cables. I like these. I actually used these before. And this is a plus. This is something I've not seen it. And they have two colors, black and white on this version where I went to. And I ended up getting black because I'm going all black. Now this one, I like this one. This is actually like a little hub for all your fans connections. If you guys can see that, pretty much it is. So it has different types on it, and it has an area where you can actually hang this in here, and it does lock in place. And if you guys can notice, there's a little area here that kind of locks into the actual system. This will actually save you more space for those that run out of space all the time because all the cables are running. You go manage them through all one area here. Now, the thing that got me attracted was that this part right here, this is more sticking out now. It's not on the side no more. So you know exactly what you're going to get and what you're going to plug. Now, one of the things I personally got it for was for this, the 12-volt connection for my GPU, which I own the 4090 connection. I find this very useful. And this is another plus, but because I have a case that has a hub, this will probably be no good for me, maybe. Depends, but depends on what you're going to use it for. Now, a lot of people need this. And this is perfect. Now, the power supply is 1200 watts on it. You can see Lian Li logo design here. And look at this. I've never seen this. There's a magnet here that comes with this. This is for you want to clean up your stuff. And it's so difficult sometimes. I have to air blow it. Wow, look at this. They give you a magnet here. And that's it. I didn't even knew about that until today. I just saw it and I was like, wow, what this label? It's doesn't make sense to have it there, but now it does because most of the time gets dirty, damages your actual power supply. You got your off and on, your regular connections, and that's pretty much it. I mean, this is a 1200 watts connection. Oh, I almost left without letting you guys know something important I just found out. And this is my mistake, all right, guys? Now, you don't have to install this here. This has a cable that you can actually extend to it. If you guys can see, there's actually connection for the pins in here. You can have this on the other side of the motherboard and have the extra connections for your fans even closer. Mind blowing for me. I mean,